I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch from Upward to Vodafone and want to keep your number, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Get your PSE code. Contact Upward to request your porting authorization code PSE. You can do this via their customer service number or through the My Upward app. Step 2. Sign up with Vodafone. Once you have your PSE, visit a Vodafone store or their website to start your new plan. Make sure to mention that you want to port your number during the sign-up process. Step 3. Provide your PSE. During the sign-up, you'll need to enter your PSE code. This code is usually valid for 30 days, so don't wait too long to use it. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PSE, Vodafone will initiate the transfer. This process typically takes 1 working day, but it can sometimes take longer if there are issues. Step 5. Confirm the switch. Once your number is successfully ported, you'll receive a confirmation from Vodafone. Make sure to test your new SIN to confirm that everything is working as expected. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps should make the process smooth. Good luck with your new Vodafone plan.